Hello everyone. To learn Python and execute Python programs, we need to first install Python on our systems, and we can optionally install PyCharm IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it helps us to create Python programs and execute them easily, and we can maintain the Puppet standards for maintaining the Python code. So let's start with installing Python first. So in our browser, we can search for Python. So python.org is the official website from where we can install the Python. So let's go to it and click on download. Yeah. So here, uh, this is the latest version for Windows, and for other systems, we can use these links according to the OS. So let's start for Windows. I will click on this button. So here the installer is downloaded. I will open the Python installer. So where here we have two options. First is install now. So it will install ideally pip and documentation. So pip will be used for installing extra Python packages, and we have another option as customize installation. Here we can install lot more libraries. So, and there are two more options. So we will check those, and we will go with the install now option. So this will install the Python on our system. So let's wait for this to complete it. So now installation process is completed. Python is installed on our system. So I will click on this close button. Now we can check whether it is installed successfully or not. So in the search box, we can type CMD or command prompt. We can open it, and now we can type the command Python space hyphen version. Sorry, it's double hyphen. Yeah. So here we can see Python 3.13.1. So it means the Python is installed successfully on our system. So let's close this. Now we need to install PyCharm IDE. To install PyCharm IDE, we can go back to browser and search for PyCharm. JetBrains.com is the official website to download the PyCharm. We can click over this link. So this is the official website from where we can download the PyCharm. So we can click on the download button. Now we have two options. First is PyCharm Professional, and another one is PyCharm Community Edition. So PyCharm Professional is a paid version, and PyCharm Community Edition is a free version. So we will go with the free version for now, and we can click on download. So here we can see it is getting downloaded. It's a 518 MB package. Now we can see this is downloaded. We can click here. So now the installer has opened. Now we can click on next button. So now it is asking for destination folder where the PyCharm can be installed. So by default it is C drive program files, JetBrains. So I will keep as it is. Here it is showing space required. It is 1.9 GB. So we'll click on next. Now there are few options. First is create desktop shortcut. So I will check this box. Then we have update path variable, add bin folder to path. So we can skip for now. Then we have update context menu, add open folder as project and create associates. So we'll only check this create desktop shortcut and we will click on next button. Now again install. Now PyCharm is getting installed. Let's wait. So now the Python PyCharm installation is completed. Uh, we can check this box to open the PyCharm and we can click on the finish button. Here we can see this shortcut is created for PyCharm. This is the user agreement for PyCharm. So let's confirm and click continue. So now the PyCharm has been opened. So we can click on new project or open an existing project. We can clone Git repo. So these are the options available. Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to install Python, how to check whether the Python is installed or not by running the command python space hyphen hyphen version. And then we have installed PyCharm IDE. So that's it. Thank you very much.